All you Prius fans, if you're like me, Jay, Speed, and the Hybrid Battery Shop gang, here's our first decent Prius. Been driving all old ones. This is Jenny under here. And then up this way, if you take a look, you'll see this is a Gen 1, 250,000 miles. Literally the Cadillac of Priuses. If you want to know about Priuses, problems, how to fix them, how to keep your Prius on the road, you might want to check the videos on my channel because I have a lot of extensive videos detailing how to repair, how to make sure that if your battery is bad and you think it's bad, but it's actually not, you treat it fairly. You should be able to get your battery rebuilt for as little as $850. No problem. Out-of-pocket cost on something like that for a rebuilder, probably $40. J Speed, thanks for looking. Peace out.